In the metals quadrant today, copper up around 0.25%. That's not really the interesting part of the story. The interesting part is that it's up 5 consecutive sessions now. And in that 5 consecutive session time frame, copper is up over 6% from the lows 5 days ago. Also interesting is that since early September, copper is up 12 of 16 weeks. And that is with a tailwind of optimism with the US-China trade talks. Now today, we've got a little bit of a headwind. It's interesting because the tariffs are kind of the problem now. It seems like the details, at least we've heard this from both sides, are almost done on the phase 1 of the trade agreement, but a delay of the December 15 tariffs is being hinted, but it's coming from China. It's not coming from the United States. As a matter of fact, Larry Kudlow said those December 15 tariffs are still on the table, but they are looking at rolling back current tariffs. So if you roll back current tariffs, but then place tariffs again on December 15 on a separate set of products, I don't think that would be a very good thing for the trade talks continuing and for a phase 1 deal to be signed. But we also have a slightly positive tailwind from the USMCA, which Nancy Pelosi and President Trump both said there's an agreement between Congress and the administration to push a version of that bill, slightly edited from the original, through Congress for President Trump to sign. Then it's just a matter of getting Mexico and Canada on board, which it seems like they've been on board for quite some time. So copper getting a boost from all of that. Lastly, copper's rally is important because it could be a leading indicator for how well the talks between the US and China is going. China, as has been mentioned time and time again, is #1 consumer of copper, #1 smelter of copper, and if any of this buying, whether it's in the futures or the actual physical copper, which could be driving futures prices higher, is coming from China, that means internally the optimism is real. So you're going to want to watch that in terms of the performance of copper versus how well the trade talks seem to be going.